Vegan Oatmeal Raisin Cookies. Ingredients: 1 cup or 120 grams of rolled oats, 3/4 of a cup or 95 grams of whole wheat flour, 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 pinch of salt, 1/2 a cup or 115 grams of coconut oil melted, 1/2 a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup or 50 grams of granulated sugar, 1 flax egg. Recipe: 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed mixed with 2.5 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 a cup or 70 grams of raisins. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a mixing bowl, combine the rolled oats, whole wheat flour, baking soda, ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt and mix well. In another bowl, whisk together the melted coconut oil, brown sugar, granulated sugar, flax egg, and vanilla extract until they are well combined. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry mixture and mix until a cookie dough forms. Fold in the raisins until evenly distributed throughout the dough. Use a cookie scoop or spoon to drop portions of cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving space between each. Flatten each cookie slightly with the back of a fork or your fingers. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Remove from the oven and let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now it is time to enjoy your homemade vegan oatmeal raisin cookies.